morning, everyone. Nining is here again. Early morning. Welcome to my channel. This morning, guys, I have a milk hug, guys, that I prepare for Cutie. Because Cutie dating 6, it's almost 3 weeks. She just only eating a little bit of food. Guys. That's why I give here a milk for just only a temporary. Guys, so that Cutie is not died and his sick is getting help because it's more than 3 weeks, guys. Until now, he's still sick, guys. I don't know what's happening, guys. What's happening on her legs? Difficult to walk. And when I wake up in one morning, I just so Cutie that she's difficult to walk, guys. I don't know. It's just a chichale. He's getting sick. And this time, it's early morning, and I'll give her a milk, guys. Here, the milk I prepared here. I did not put there outside because the other dog is jealous, guys, and milk is it's expensive. I just prepare for Cutie. The other dogs, the rest dogs, I just give up. Wait, guys. I call Cutie. First, I just open the door so that Cutie is coming. Cutie, come in. Cutie, talk to Cutie. Cutie. Look, guys, how she keep. Oh, gamay, you just wait. I just give you a little bit. Look, Cutie. My. Cutie, come in, Cutie. Cutie, dito pa. That's Cutie, guys. This is my dog's Cutie. You just wait, Gaming. You just wait. Cutie is mad on you. Oh, Cutie, you're just doing this. Cutie is difficult. Wait, guys. Cutie. Wait there, I just let you a little bit because Cuties did not drink it. That's why I'm hiding in here. Because Cuties don't like that there's a leaking together with here. Look, guys, Cutie is very pretty, guys. It's difficult to walk. Her one legs, guys, it's getting paralyzed. It's almost 3 weeks now. Cutie. It's almost 3 weeks. She's getting paralyzed and you have a cup. I'll give her medicine, guys. I'll give her medicine. But still, it's not healed. Sometimes if she shouted at night, I'll give her a pain reliever so that she stops shouting. You just drink milk, Cutie. Okay. Look, guys. The other one is crying. We just left only the small dog's Cutie small. Yes, guys. This is I'm doing every early morning. She heard that the other dog is crying, guys. You just continue doing Cutie. Hey, you just wait there, Cutie, small dogs. Gamay, you just wait there. We just give first priority to Cutie. Because Cutie is not eating a foods, guys. She just only test a little bit, a very small, guys. She can't stand up. Wait. She can continue in laking because she's listening the other small guys. Look at, guys, how he can't stand. She's getting paralyzed. That's why if she's drinking, I'm just holding here. Look. She's very pretty. Her body is getting thin, guys. It's getting thin. Supposed to be this time. She's already big. Thank Cutie. Oh, she has a clogged nose and also a cough. She have a clogged nose. Hey, you just coming down, guys. So what I'll give medicine to Cutie because if I'll give her on a medicine, a little pain reliever, but only as a very small, guys, I'll give to her. What effective also, Cutie can rest for a while. This is I'm doing every early morning and also before she sleep. Before she sleeps so that she can sleep even a little bit, guys. But she can't sleep whole night. She's crying, but this time it's more than, it's a 3 weeks less of cry. Not like before in the first week and the second week. She cried very hard. Will you just continue like drinking milk, see, cutie? Seem like she understand that I will take a video, guys. Because if I she sige, okay, if I take a video, she's guys, I don't like she gonna like the happening of my other dogs. I have 3 dogs, it's fast away. 3 dogs, Di together sick, guys. Even I give a medicine, it's not healed. That's why I don't like that's happening to Cutie. Hey, Cutie, you have cough? Cutie have cough, guys. Oh, wait. No, you have cough? Wait. It's difficult for her to drink, guys. Her one leg is no strong. Her right side of her hips. Cutie, you just drink it all. Cutie. Oh. She have clogged nose. So you just drink it all, Cutie. Seems like she's shy, guys. She's shy. She understand that I'm taking a video. Wait. She looking a right position, guys, that she can lick. Wait. Like this, Cutie. Wait. That one. That's the right position, Cutie. So that you can lick it out. Guys, see? Cutie, you just drink all. Even it's not all because the other one dog is waiting there. She understands. She have clogged nose. You just drink, Cutie. Cutie. See, you did not. You shy. Don't shy. There's many people watching you. Cutie. You did not finish drink, Cutie. Okay, Maisie, just drink. Don't worry the other dogs, because the other dogs, they eat the foods. Actually, my nephew saw me, guys, in the morning. I prepare coffee, I prepare milk, then I give milk to the dog. I drinking a coffee. Mine is a coffee and the dog's is milk. I just only want to save the life of Cutie, guys. I don't like it same happening before of my dogs. My favorite dog, bulldogs. My favorite bulldog. That she's passed away makes me very sad. And also that's the old one, my dog, si Sitor. That's living here in house for how many years? Oh, you did not lift up my I forget to lift up my arm. Say hi to camera, Cutie. Say hi to camera. It's very difficult for her to walk. But even she's difficult to walk. Every time I saw that it's eating there in my plants. And I said, like that. Cutie, it's very faster. Can make run, guys. That Venus on that. She helping on me to throw away the goats. She understand. That's I'm always going to here. I check her legs, guys. I check her legs. No one's on her legs. I don't know. It's a brakes or hit in motorcycle because before I always dead in the road. Or else it's totally sick. Totally sick of the dog. Said that it's getting paralyzed. It's a problem of the bones. I don't know what's the reason. Because if a brakes, it's not seem like this kind of long. Because I experienced already that one of my dogs before that's white. It's hit of the motorcycle. He's not crying. Seems like he can handle only the pain. He can handle a brain. I did not give medicine. At only hell has on us. But Cutie is different. It's different. That's why I don't know what's happening. Or else it's getting paralyzed. I hope even here one leg is difficult to walk, but the pain is gone. It's difficult for here. I'm just thinking it's a lot of pain because she's crying and crying. Hello, Cutie. Projection. Don't worry, Cutie, son, you're getting hell, Cutie. Look, guys, her legs is shaking. Guys. If she lying down, that's why, look. You're just lying down here, Cutie. Like this. Lying down, Cutie. Okay. Her body is getting very thin, guys. Taking her legs, it's always her position. And Cutie, your stomach is full, but less of What? Every time I'm giving the foods of the other dogs, because the other dogs, Cuties is not eating. She just only eat a little bit. She's coughing. I don't know what I give here medicine, guys, of coughing of the dog because she's a dog. But before, when she's crying and crying, lots of pain, I can't handle to listen here at night that she's crying and crying early morning until morning. I give her a little bit of pain reliever, but I just only put a very small amount because I don't know what's the reason in that, because that's a pain reliever of the human. It's not for the dogs. And this time she has a cough, guys. Or else it's okay. I just give her a little amount of medicine of the human because I don't know what's a medicine I give to her. She has a plugged nose and she's coughing. You're okay now, Cutie? You just show them, Cutie, how you stand up. It's difficult. You just show her, them, Cutie, how you stand up. It's difficult for her to stand up, guys. No? No. Okay, so no strong on her right side of leg. No strong, guys. Right side of legs. Look, guys. Look, guys. Her head is getting very small. No strong. That's why I don't know what's happening to her. But I'm just thinking, because of the milk, she's not getting. It's expired that she's died. I'm just thinking, only it's spent long. Sitter, I'm not sitter. I think that's Bolantoy. Bolantoy, he hear that I'm talking her, the one to get inside. Wait, Cutie, we just try to open the door. Okay. Gamay, Cutie did not leave you. Oh, Bolantoy is open the door. Bolantoy, how's that? Oh, you're very dirty. Go away. Wait, so, Agoy, Bolantoy. Don't touch me. Cutie is sick. Cutie is sick. You just go out there. You're very dirty. You just go out here in my room. Mascara is there. Mascara is there. Mascara is shy in camera. He understands. Shy in camera. Okay. You just go out. Mal. Cutie is mad. You just go when you go out. Oh, Cutie is mad. You just go out. Cutie is not feeling good. You just go out. Oi! You just go out. You just wait me there outside. Don't go there. And you're very dirty. Every day there's a rain, guys. It's always raining. That's why the dog. It's very dirty. Don't think about the dog. You just go out there. Lantoy, we just finished this video. We just finished. Lantoy, you just go out. Lantoy, don't bite tangkad. Okay. You just go out. No foods here. Cutie is mad. You just go out. You just go out. Cutie is not feeling good. Gamay, you just go out there. You just listen, Lantoy. Lantoy, you just go out. Cutie is mad. You just go out. Lantoy, you did not listen. Wait, Cutie. I just make you Lantoy. Very good. And thanks. Cutie. Cutie is jealous to the small puppies, guys. If I try to get the small puppies, Cutie is very, tangkad. Okay, you just go out. Bye. And that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that updated kayo for my next video. I hope Cutie son is getting help, guys. That's it. Bye.